Hi everyone, it's your girl Alicia. So today it's no no Chinese food Friday for us, but we're gonna go into making our own Chinese food. What we're doing is General Tso chicken today with steamed brown rice. I just bought the whole chicken breast, which I washed and cubed. This liquid in here is vinegar. I wash the chicken in fresh lemon and vinegar, and I pour some vinegar on it. I'm gonna season it with this vinegar and water mixture that you see there. That's my fresh ginger on the side. I have onions and red pepper, orange pepper, green pepper, and garlic. All right. What I'm gonna do is season this chicken, dip it in the flour, and we're gonna take it over to the fryer and fry this chicken. So when I come back, we're gonna be putting everything together and showing you our Friday evening uh, no more Chinese food Friday menu. General Tso chicken and steamed brown rice. So I'm going to be cutting the last chicken breast. I did like 5 pieces. This is the fifth piece. I have 4 pieces already cut up in here. When I do, I make a big batch because I uh, I don't cook every day. Right? So basically, I cut the chicken breast in 3 strips. Then I'm gonna make cubes. See? Like this size, nice size cubes out of the chicken breast. And this chicken breast is washed with lemon and vinegar. There's a little bit of vinegar in the container. Okay. So that's all on the cubed chicken. What I'm gonna do now is putting powder seasoning on my chicken. So this powder seasoning is a mixture of onion powder, smoked paprika, garlic, salt, pepper. I'm gonna give this a good mix to combine. There's a little bit of cayenne because this has a little spicy kick to it. Myself and my kids, we enjoy spice. So we're gonna give this a generous sprinkling and mix it in. You want this nicely seasoned. Cover it up a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with some cornstarch. This chicken is gonna be fried before we put it in the General Tso sauce. So the cornstarch gives it a nice light crunch on the outside. I'm using like a little less than a quarter cup of cornstarch. And we're just gonna sprinkle the cornstarch and mix it in. Sprinkle. It helps give that chicken a nice light crisp on the outside before you mix it when you're frying it. So this is the chicken. This is the flour that we're going to be coating it in. This is 2 cups of flour, and I'm going to use that same mixed seasoning that I used to do the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle just a little bit in the flour, because you want to season your flour as well. Okay, so you have the flour here, and you have your chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Kikkoman stir fry sauce to the chicken, just to give it like it's General Tso chicken, but just to give it like that oriental, authentic Chinese flavor. Gonna mix that. And then what you're gonna do is just add your flour in, and you want the flour to go in and be coating this chicken and having it nice and sticky, absorbing all that liquid. Okay, don't be afraid to add the flour. You want this chicken to absorb and coat. Alright, I'm going to turn my I turn my fryer on so it could heat, because you need 350 degree heated oil to instantly crisp this chicken up, and also cook it inside out. You don't want it burning the chicken and inside of the chicken is not cooked. So you see how it's nice and that's sticky, well coated. See, all the liquid has now turned into a sticky paste around the chicken. See, so when we come back, we're going to be over by the fryer, and we're going to drop these chicken pieces in the fryer to be fried, and then we're going to come back and we're going to make the General Tso's sauce for the chicken. So next time we come back, we'll be over by the fryer. So our oil is hot and ready to go. We're over by the fryer. I'm gonna drop in 1 piece of chicken just to make sure the oil is hot enough. Ooh, nice, and it floats right to the top. I'm just gonna drop in one by one. You don't want to crowd the fryer when you're frying these chickens, because you want them to crisp up nicely without touching each other. I'm going to turn the vent off, because the vent is making too much noise. So frying this chicken is going to be about 5-10 minutes where they cook all the way through. You want them to be fully cooked when you take them out of the fryer. 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. And as I said, don't overcrowd the fryer. This is all I have in here at this point, and that's more than enough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue to fry all this chicken, and I'm gonna show you when I'm all done the crispy batch. We're not gonna do that on camera to make the video too long, so I'm gonna shut it down, fry all the chicken, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna make the General Tso's sauce to toss the chicken in. So we'll be back. So we're on the final stretch of our General Tso's chicken. We're gonna make the General Tso's sauce now. I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to the wok. If I can open it. There we go. The olive oil. Going in with the chopped onions and pepper and garlic. Chopped ginger. If the stove on low, I'm going to turn it back up. So this is the result of our chicken. Look, nicely coated, crispy. I'm going to turn this wok on high because I want this to sizzle real good. I'm going to go ahead and add, this is a cornstarch slurry. It's cornstarch. I put some of the Kikkoman sauce in it and a little bit of soy sauce. That's why it's brown. So this is going to be the thickener for the General Tso's sauce. I just want this to boil and start thickening. The sauce is going to thicken because of the cornstarch that's in the slurry. Thickening around the edges of the pot. That's what I'm cleaning. I feel like my pot wasn't sitting properly on the stove. Thickening nicely. At this point, I'm going to turn it down because I don't want it burning. I'm going to put it on medium. I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup. Just using regular Heinz ketchup. Alright, see, it's nice and thick and glossy. What I'm going to do is do a taste test. I want to know, I don't think I need any more salt, but I'm missing salt, and I'm missing a little bit of fire. I don't want to put too much salt. I'm gonna add this homemade pepper sauce. This is true fire. Just a little bit. That's all you need, because you put more than this and you can't eat it. This thing is fire. This is a homemade Trini pepper sauce. So we're going to go in with a clean spoon for another taste. Oh yeah. Much better. And the nice heat coming up from that sauce, from that pepper sauce. So at this point now, what we're going to do is just add our chicken in the sauce. We're adding all this chicken in, and we're just going to toss it in the General Tso's sauce. And that's basically it. I don't have any green scallions. What would give it a really nice Asian flair if I had fresh green scallions to just put in at this point. But I don't have any. The garlic and ginger and peppers is gonna have to do. So that's basically it, guys. I'll come back with a presentation of my brown rice and my General Tso's chicken. No more Chinese Food Friday episode of my homemade General Tso chicken with brown rice. I'll be back for the presentation.